Good morning, students. I am Gurleen Kaur Suri, and today we are going to learn about crop production and management. In this, we are going to cover Kharif and Rabi crops, agricultural practices, and agricultural implements. Crops are categorized as Kharif and Rabi crops based on the season in which they grow. Kharif crops are grown during the months from June to October. These depend on monsoon. For example, rice, corn, soya bean, etc. Rabi crops are grown during the months from November to April. These do not depend on monsoon. For example, wheat, oat, chickpea, mustard, etc. Farmers undertake several systematic activities for growing crops. These activities are called agricultural practices. These are preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, soil replenishment, irrigation, crop protection, harvesting, and storage. Plowing, that is, loosening or turning of soil, which is done either by tractor or by oxen. Big pieces of rocks are then crushed with a wooden plank and then leveled by using a leveler. Sowing of seeds, that is, planting of seeds, which is done either by broadcasting, that is, scattering by hand, or by using seed drill. In some crops like paddy and tomato, seeds are sown in nursery. When seedlings are formed, they are manually planted in the field, which is known as transplantation. Soil replenishment, that is, adding minerals to the soil, which is done either by crop rotation, that is, growing leguminous crops between two successive cereal crops, or by adding manures or fertilizers. Irrigation, that means supply of water to the plants, which is done by sprinkler system or by drip irrigation. Crop protection, that is, protection of crops from weeds or pests. Weeds are the unwanted plants and pests are the organisms that specifically attack and damage crops. Weeds can be removed manually using a trowel or harrow, or by using weedicides. Pests can be killed by spraying pesticides. Finally, after maturation of crops, these are cut and gathered, and the process is called harvesting. Harvesting can be done with hands or using sickle. After harvesting, grains are separated from cut crops, and the process is called threshing. In larger fields, combined harvesters are used both for harvesting and threshing. Thereafter, grains are separated from the chaff. This is called winnowing. The grains are sun-dried to prevent the growth of microbes on them. And finally, grains are stored in granaries and silos to protect them from rats and insects. Thank you.